Hi everyone, Auntie Christy here, and today I have a mystery tin from Fatbird Finds. And so I already peeled off the label and the tape. So I say mystery tin because I saw the tin, but I don't know what's inside of the tin. So here's some package toppers, spaghetti squash. That looks good actually. And then, oh, how cute is a little kitty, like my little kitty Sugar. Aw, and so then this is who it's from, Fatbird Finds. And so it's a mystery tin, and so I know what the tin looks like on the outside, but I don't know what goodies they put on the inside. Little package toppers. So we play quiz questions, so they sent me some. Oh, I like those. I like those. And then these I took to my grandparents' house, and they were quite good at getting these answers. So I'll have to take that up there next time I see them. So those are always little fun toppers. So they call them package toppers. Oh, and look, there's something right here. It looks like there's catnip, but I'm sure it's not. It's probably celery seed. But look how cute. It's like so little. That must be the celery seed. For a hot second, I thought, like, catnip? Oh my gosh, and it's a bathroom roll of tissue. A little mini. For 2020, that one was funny. That was a hot commodity about a year ago. So then they have their signature orange paper, and the tin is in here all nice and packaged. So we'll move the box out of the way. Oh, and there's something else in the box. I think that's it. Okay. So what else is there? Oh wow, look at this. It's like really, really heavy. So it looks like a spindle of like thread. Super heavy. So it's made out of wood or ceramic. I don't know. Look how pretty that is. A little dusty, but pretty. I was like, is it string or is it like, yeah, it's string. But this is cool looking. I like that. Very fun. Okay, so this is what the tin looks like. Ta-da! Let's see. Let me see if I can pop this a little better. Add some of these fun things in the back. I put these cards behind here. With my McCormick stuff. Oh, you can't see those. Put that there. A little kitty. Okay, so this is what the tin looks like. It has, it's metal. Okay. Here is the moment of truth that you can't really see. Let me see if I can move you down a little. Here we go. Kind of. All right. Okay, let's open this thing up. Oh my goodness. I think I can. Okay, so here we go. Ta-da! So the first thing that I see in the tin are these Wade Winsies. I like how they package these. Look at this guy. I think it's a clown. Oh my gosh, it's a clown Wade Winsie. With his hat off. And then this one, it's a squirrel. I love it. So cute. I have a bunch of Wade Whimsies. I do not have these. So those are new to me. See, I haven't lost my marbles here, right here. Don't know anything about marbles. I have a jar, and I just put them in a jar. That's where the marbles live. Doesn't this look like a Pepsi Cola sign? I don't know. Maybe it's a patch or something. And there's a thimble. Let's see what else is in here. So these are, looks like bridge. It says Steinmart. Yeah, tally. They're just little tally sheets for bridge. They're super pretty. I feel like we could easily repurpose these into cards, you know, like put something else right here, put other stuff inside, and just turn them into a card. Very fun. I don't know if people really play bridge much anymore. But those are very vintage and cute. I like those. Okay, let's see what else we have. It's another little something ceramic. Let's see right there. Maybe I can just pull it out from the bottom. Yep. Oh wow, this is old. It's like, what am I looking at? Okay, the basket, like a chicken coop maybe. 7521. So maybe it's made in Japan or made in Germany. It's just like a little, put some flowers in there. Little tiny, tiny flowers. Or you could put maybe a pencil or two in there. I don't know. Very cute. Let's see. What else is in here? Oh, it's a jar of buttons. See? I don't even have to find a jar to put the buttons in. There's one right here for you. Oh my gosh. This is a fun vintage jar full of buttons. Like this one has like fabric on it. This reminds me of 1970s couch. You know, that fabric. See if there's a few others we can look at. Hey, that's cute. It says West Cal 45, and it looks like it's like the top of a bullet, but they made it into like a button cover of some sort, or a rivet of some, I don't know. This is interesting. Green. This one, but it has like little lines. It's different. You know what? I think this is like the bottom of a shoe or something. I think it's like a stopper for, I don't know. Let's see. There's probably a few more in here that might be kind of fun. I won't look at all of them, but lots of cute old vintage. This one has fabric on it, but it's like really, you can tell it's really old. Oops, throwing stuff. Just jumped out of my hands. It's the right color. I like this color. Very neat. I don't know much about buttons. I just think they're interesting. It's like the fine little cute details. There's a zipper. It doesn't have like that YKK on it though. It says something else. Is it like Valdez? Not sure. But here's all the fun of this button jar. It's cute as a button. These are fun to look at. Okay, I'm gonna put these back in here. Should play a game saying, guess how many buttons are in the jar. I don't have a prize, but it would be fun to guess, and I wouldn't count this little guy. Yeah, how many buttons are in the jar? I think my favorite was this little guy right here. Looks like the end of a bullet. Some of these are really cute. They're like mother of pearl. You can tell that they're old too. Like, I mean, this guy, it's got like a mother of pearl look to it, but look at the back. Neat. Very neat. Like that would have been like one of those like little dainty little buttons that would have like gone down like next to your wrist. That's what it looks like to me, at least. Okay, there's a few more things in here. This looks like a little plate. Oh, how cute. And it's like heavy. It's like, that's awesome. Those are useful. They hold jars. No, I'm just kidding. All right, let's see. Oh, and there's another one. Ooh. Oh, I have not been here yet. Mackinac Island, Michigan. Everybody talks about this place. I want to go here so bad. Yes, please. Made in Japan, but it's a souvenir piece from a place I really want to go. Yay. Ooh, what is this? Cool. Okay, so it's like I think it's like one of those like top can opener things, like a jar opener to help you lift something, but look how pretty that is. It's like a sword. Ta-da, ta-da. I'm left-handed, so here we go. It looks like a sword. That's really cool. Or imagine like just like putting, it's not the right skewer thing or whatever, but like sticking the olives through this and then sticking that in your drink. I like it. And, oh, they're pretty. Look at the details. My hands are a little dirty after touching the buttons, so I don't want to open this entirely. But I'll show you the pretty, look at the pretty flowers. Wash my hands before I touch that. And the last, but not least, oh, how cute. These are, it says cigars, but they're not like thick cigar. Think close, but no thick, no cigar. Okay, so this is just like a little, oh, it's a little hinged tin. But the graphics are really great. That's fun. That would be great to like, honestly, like this is the right size. You could put some of those like beer coasters and stuff in. Especially like if you're, you know, then it wouldn't get ruined. That's nice. Awesome. And then that's it. So then after that, we still have this fun blue tin that it all came in with a nice little design. And it's like, it's raised a little bit right there. So fun. So this mystery box, it was $20, and then there was some shipping, so like $32 total. But all in all, like we got this tin, fun old buttons, and a useful plate, and a touristy, I can't wait to go here plate. I really like this thing. I feel like it's one of those like can opener thingies, like where you pop it through the side, but there's honestly a few different things you could do with that. And then the fun cigar tin, a hanky. This thing is just so heavy and cool looking. I just like it. It almost looks like it's steel, but it's no, it's just regular string. It's just really tight on there. The little tiny tissue. That's just hilarious to me. And then the celery seed. I wonder if they had like, you know, because back in the day, it's like everybody had these big giant celery dishes. I'm like, how much celery did people eat back then? That's a lot of celery dishes to have a whole dish just for celery. I'm like, maybe they had a whole jar just for celery seed. And the marbles, those will go in the collection. And I'm gonna have to look this patch up because it does remind me of Pepsi, but I'm sure that's not what it is. And then this cute little guy. He's cute. Like, honestly, like, you could just put your tweezers in there. That might be what happens with this one. He might go in my medicine cabinet, and he might carry some tweezers. So if you look inside my medicine cabinet, it's going to have, like, all this weird china, but it's going to be holding, you know, bathroom-type stuff. I really like the squirrel, and then the clown. Oh, my gosh. I'm not afraid of clowns. They're just, some of them are a little creepy, but I do love the squirrel. And the tally cards, a cute little kitty, and then some other little package toppers. So that's it. What did you guys think about my Fat Bird Finds mystery tin? And so if you would like to join in on the fun on Friday nights for flipping and sipping is what we call it. And they sell a few things. We play trivia, we play games, we talk about what everyone's drinking. And it's just a really great group of people who know a whole lot about a whole lot, like so vintage and antiques, and it's just a really great community, and everybody's very respectful. So I would highly recommend it. All right. Well, thank you so much, Fat Birds. I loved this. It's awesome. I just love it. There's just so many cute little things, and I can't wait to go look stuff up and learn more about it. All right, this is Auntie Christy. Thank you so much for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye now.